Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry. This is a chapter from grade 10 and this is new to the school level. So let us see what is trigonometry and where we can apply this. So here in the figure you can see a girl is sitting here on the balcony of her house located on the bank of a river. She is looking down at a flower pot which is placed on a temple. So here there is a building and here there is a temple. And this temple and building are on both the sides of a river. So you can see here the river. Okay. And now you can see this is marked with a right angled triangle. Okay, and you can see here this measurement, if it is given and this is 90 degree, you can easily find out the distance between these two buildings or the width of the river. Either if you want to find out this one, or you can find out this one if you know this distance as well as one angle. So this is a relation between the angle and the sides of a right angled triangle. So let us see that in detail. Okay, so the trigonometry, as I told you, this is a relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. And what is trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle means that is mainly related to what type of triangle? That is a right angled triangle. That is an important thing that you have to notice. This is related to a right angled triangle and it shows the relationship between the angle and the length of the sides. The angle and the length of the sides. So let us see here a figure. That is a right angled triangle. You can see right angled at B. Before moving into it, let me ask you one thing. How can you find out the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle? So I'm writing here ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at B. So which is the hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. Right angle is here B and opposite to that we will get the side AC. That is the hypotenuse. Okay. So this is very easy to find out hypotenuse. Most of you know because you learn in previous classes. Okay, so now let us see how can we find out the opposite side and adjacent side of an angle. So here you can see with respect to angle A, it is marked. With respect to angle A, which is the side opposite to angle A is the opposite side and the other side will come as the adjacent side. Okay, so let us see this triangle. The same triangle I'm drawing here and that is also right angled at B. But with respect to angle C here, which is the opposite side. Yes, coming opposite to that angle is the opposite side. This is the opposite side with respect to angle C and this one you know that is the hypotenuse because it is coming opposite to right angle and this will come as the adjacent side. Is it clear? The side opposite to the angle which we have taken is the opposite side. Okay. So let us move on to what is this trigonometric ratios. Okay. So you can see here the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent are the trigonometric ratios. So let's see how can we find out these with respect to a particular angle. So I'm going to draw here the same triangle, the right triangle, which is right angled at B. Okay, so this is A, B and C. As we discussed, which will be the hypotenuse here? Yes, this is the hypotenuse. and I'm going to take the angle A. With respect to angle A, this is the opposite side, right? And this will come as the adjacent side. So let us see how can we find out these ratios. Let us start with sine. Sine of an angle A. Sine of angle A we are going to find out. How can we find out sine of angle A? Sine of angle A we can find out as side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. We know which is the side opposite to angle A, that we have marked it as opposite side, right? And we know the hypotenuse as well. So this is equal to, we can say as BC by AC, right? Yes. Next, let's see what is cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle A means the side adjacent to angle A. Okay, side adjacent to angle A divided by the hypotenuse. So which is the side adjacent to angle A? This is AB, right? So AB divided by hypotenuse is same, AC. And next is what is a tangent? So you can find out tangent of angle A by using the formula the side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. So what will be the sides coming? The side opposite to angle A is, yes, BC, and the side adjacent to angle A is AB. So it will come as a BC by AB. So this is the sine, cosine and tangent of angle A. So let us go ahead with cosecant, secant and cotangent of angle A. Okay. So what is cosecant of angle A? You have to notice here cosecant of angle A means 1 by sine of angle A. That is the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Okay, so we can write the formula very easily. Hypotenuse divided by side opposite to angle A. So you will get this as AC by, correct, BC. Next, coming towards what is a secant of angle A. Okay, secant of angle A, the same what we have seen before, like that, 1 by cosine of angle A. So that is also the reciprocal. You can see here hypotenuse divided by what will come? Yes, side adjacent to angle A. So we can get here as AC by AB. Now the last one is cotangent. How can we find out the cotangent of angle A? Let us see how to find out the cotangent of angle A. That is also same. We can write it as 1 by tangent of angle A. That how can we explain? That is the side adjacent to angle A divided by side opposite to, yes, angle E. That is equal to AB by BC. So this is how we can find out the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent of the angle A. When it comes to angle C, that will totally change. As I have told you, the opposite and adjacent angle will be changing with respect to the angle we select. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Let us conclude it. The values of trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides, but if the angle remains the same, but the angle should be the same. So I hope today's class is very much clear for all of you. Thank you.